So hello, you are welcome to class. So in this class today we are going to make 1040 degree circle. Okay, so I'm using a paper here. This is 1040 degree, also known as four circles. Okay, so this is what we have, circles. Okay, so this is what we have. Now we are going to be like 360 plus 360 plus 360. When you add them together, plus 360 in four places, you have 1040 degree. It's also the same thing as saying 0 plus a circle plus circle plus circle plus circle to get four circles. And you know the constant is 6.28 and the waist is 9. So you divide the 9 by 4 to get for a circumference for each of them, because they have to be equal. So this is 2.25. 2.25 times 4 is 9, divided by 6.28. So you do this to get 1, then you replicate it for the others. Okay, so if I say 2.25 plus 6.28, I'm going to have something like 0.358. Okay, then the length I'm using is 5. So plus 5, I'm going to have 5.358. Okay, so this is approximately 6, okay, or 5.5. So you get that in 4 places, okay, for 1. So that means 5. Let's say if I'm using 6, that is 12 by 12, just like we did for the 1080 degree. So we have that, but it's just that this time around it will be 4. Okay, so you can just use 5.5 to still get your accurate measurement. So now let me put this aside. I have my patterns, I have my paper, I have my fabrics here, and there are 4 pieces. 12 by 12. Okay, so these are the fabrics, the pieces. Now I'm going to do this. Now I'll fold it into 4. I want to try to see if I can cut the 4 together. Please note, if you can't do that, you can just do one after the other. So this is it. I'm folding it widthwise, just like we did for the 1080 and 720. Folding it lengthwise again. So I have 0.358. Okay, so I'm going to use, this time around I may have to use 0.25. Okay, this is because it's very tiny, and if you are not careful you might take more measurement. Okay, then the length is 5. So we'll cut it out. Okay, so this is it. Then we'll cut out this part. So we have the opening 4 pieces. Then the next stage is to cut out one part open, so that you can join the 4 pieces together and attach it. So this is it. Can you see we have 4? So I'm going to sew them together now to get a single piece. Okay, so let me join them, then we'll look at it on the final look on the body form. So this is the final look. Can you see? It's very full. Okay, it's a bit bigger. I think the measurement was a bit wrong, so it's quite bigger. So this is one of those things you need to take note of when you are taking your whole measurement. Okay, you know, most of these measurements I just made them offhand. Okay, please, when you are doing yours, try to use calculator so that you will not mix those ones up. Okay, and that's why sometimes you see some people just make a guidance on it, because maybe eventually become bigger. But if you want an accurate measurement, please try to measure accurately so that you won't have problems like this. So this is how 1440 degree circles is. So this is how it is. Can you see how beautiful and how full it is? So you can even attach your crinoline on it, and it's going to give you a very beautiful look. So that's complete the above 720 degree circle series. So in our next class now, we're going to look at how to make some other circles that are not up to 720, okay, and are more than 360. So thanks for staying with me. I remain Toyima. Bye.